Yeah, what's good, YouTube? So here we go, another one. This is a Infiniti Q50. I think it's like a 2017. So it's all black right now. He's got some nice wheels on it. Yeah, this one is going all Avery matte dark gray. I think it's up there. It's similar to the BMW X5M that I did. Just darker. That one was a light nardo gray. But yeah, so full disassembly pretty much done. He had a spoiler, the badges, license plate, taillights, usual stuff. He also took off a diffuser for me so I could get fully under that. Gas cap is also gone. And then door handles, the rear ones are really easy. The front ones I'm gonna do separately when I get to them. Gotta take off the door panel for that, so a little bit extra work, but gonna have to do it anyway. Also, he came to me and asked me to do all the chrome trim. It was gloss black. He had it previously done, and it wasn't a really good job. It was peeling all over the place, so I peeled all the old gloss black off. He also had it on the door handles, just a little strip. So I'm gonna redo that, and all the chrome deleter on the windows, and the trunk. The trunk, this piece, and this lower, there's a piece right there, it's a lower piece. So yeah. All right, guys. So update. It's fully done. Hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. So just a quick little walk around of the car. After I put on the spoiler, the badges, like the one on the fender, everything. So he gave me the go ahead to just spray it with Radocan gloss black. And it came out pretty nice. I mean, they're just badges. You could get gloss black ones for really cheap on the internet if you really wanted to. But since I had them and that's the quickest option, I did that. Chrome delete was fixed. So all around the windows, as you can see, and the two-door handles came out really clean. Everything's nice and sharp, tucked. Yeah, the back, just put the spoiler on. Those two chrome trims sprayed black. Same with the badge. And I'm waiting on the Infiniti to dry. I think it looks tough. This color is just amazing. I mean, I'm gonna get some shots in the sun, but there's a matte gray. It just pops. I mean, on cars even like this, and it's similar to the BMW that I did that you guys saw. But yeah, front end. Can't really show it because it's too close to the wall. But so I actually took the whole bumper off and took out all those grill pieces, so I tuck really nicely everywhere. And then this is a brand new grill. He got a new one because he tried spraying the old one, the trim like this, and it just faded and whatnot. Yeah, all the trims got taken out, so you can see it's really nice. Those chrome, these were chrome too. I don't know if you could tell, but around the fog light, there's a chrome trim I sprayed. And then a finishing touch was, this emblem is kind of trash, but I did like the face of it in the same color so it matches. Looks really good. So there it is, Infiniti Q50 in matte dark gray with a full chrome delete. It looks amazing. So yeah, hit me up if you guys need anything done.